So in today's video, we are looking at just exploring the Coinomi wallet to just look at the different features that come inbuilt with the wallet. So first of all, you can see at the top here we have exchange. So we have one for Shapeshift, we have another for Changelly, and these are very great top-notch exchanges for exchanging cryptocurrencies. We've done an earlier video on this, and I'll drop the link to the video in the description. Do make sure to check it out. Next, you can see invest, where basically it's for token sales. So if any ICO, which is basically an initial coin offering, comes up and it pops up in the app, you can directly participate in the ICO right here from the app. So this is another cool feature. If you check Fan Fantasy, it says you can participate in the token sale directly from within your wallet. Please make sure you understand the terms of the sale before proceeding. You can pay with Ethereum or any crypto. That's not the focus of this for now. Then when you come to plus coins down here, let me show you something. When you come here, you have so many coins. You have Bitcoin, ABN coin, AdCoin, Asia coin, Aura coin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Plus, Bitcoin Private, all the different Bitcoins. We have Dash, we have Digibytes, Einsteinium, Ethereum Classic. You have game credits, a favorite of mine. You have library credits, Litecoin. You have links, music coin, a lot of them. All right. Then you can go back, and then plus tokens asks you which blockchain do you want tokens for. We can quickly check for Ethereum. You can see we have Aeron, Atlant, Bata coin, Kania coin, Coinlancer, Credo Dent, Dale coin, a lot. All right, so many, so many tokens. There's Banco, Popular. There's Blockcard. The Civic, also a popular one. There is quite a number of them. All right, Edgeless, EOS is also popular. You have so many. I don't think I can even count all of these tokens that this wallet supports. Then we can come to settings. Then once again, check exchange rates. It shows you all the different exchange rates supported by the app. Central African CFA franc. It's up. You can actually quote your crypto in silver, in gold, as you can see from these two right here. It supports the Nigerian naira, the Namibian dollar. It supports the Libyan dinar. Supports the Japanese yen, of course, the Iraqi dinar. It supports the Croatian kuna. This app supports literally every currency in the world. Hopefully it does. Then it also has the option and the settings once again to check your transaction fees, so you can find out how much it's going to cost you to transfer any crypto to another wallet. You can change your password, of course. You can restore your wallet. You use this option to, let's say you change your phone and you download the wallet. This is when your recovery phrase right here, show recovery phrase. It says warning, please do not share. I mean, you don't need to show this to anyone. So I definitely come to return. I don't want to show you to you. You can debug. I mean, this is a very cool wallet. It has an option for you to update filter. I mean, sort of filter according to sort by name, ascending, descending by value. This wallet is really cool. I think you should get the Coinomi app. If you don't have it, I'll drop a link in the description below for you to check it out. So do make sure to subscribe, to like, to share, to don't forget to comment. Let us know what you think about this content, and keep going. We are killing this. All right, have a nice day.